On Fiji Village on record this morning. Good morning. I'm Vijay Narayan here in the Fiji Village newsroom, and this morning we are talking about the University of South Pacific's baseline survey, which they conducted on our water supply systems. That includes the reticulation system, but apart from that, the bottled water, the rainwater harvested that people are using, and the indicators that are coming through. The study has found that tiny plastic particles, less than 5 millimeters in size, are present in water that Fijians consume every day. Associate Professor from USP David Rohindra has said the findings show that people of Fiji are ingesting microplastics through drinking water, and this highlights the need for enhanced monitoring, treatment, and public awareness to safeguard both people and our ecosystems. He adds that this baseline survey should be seen as an opportunity to act rather than cause a panic. The findings add to growing global evidence of plastic pollution as an emerging environmental and public health concern. There are other ways, as far as science are concerned. They are trying to ensure that these microplastics are reduced in our system, and USP is ready to work with other partners, policymakers, etc., to get that going. But also at the community level, they are asking for people to act to make sure our water supply systems, our catchment areas are kept safe and not exposed to plastic pollution. And the other issue is making sure at the household level, people are using some water filters that can filter away those microplastics. Now, we also spoke to the Water Authority of Fiji CEO Seru Soderberg, who has stressed that they will continue their targeted monitoring and will incorporate findings from ongoing research, including the USP study on the level of microplastics found in the different forms of water supply in Fiji. They say after the study findings, they will take all these into account in future planning, treatment optimization, and system improvements. Soderberg says there's no cause for concern, that they continue to base it on the standards for WHO standards and guidelines to ensure there's a proper water supply. And the other important issue he noted is that the level of microplastics is almost the same with the reticulation water supply and other forms of supply that is happening. He says there needs to be more research done in this area, and the Water Authority of Fiji is trying its best. So that's the latest so far. We'll continue to monitor this situation as far as our water supply systems is concerned. Here in the Fiji Village newsroom for Fiji Village News, I'm Vijay Narayan.